today in Taste Kitchen, we're doing something really delicious, inspired by a trip that I did quite a few years ago to Spain. So I'm not a custard snob at all. This reminds me of my childhood. And really, it's the perfect, easy way to do these custard slices. Just cook it the way the packet directions say for a thick custard. So a little bit of milk, and then you just mix it. Okay, so just gently heat the milk over a low heat. And this is the time where we just add the sugar because you want the sugar to melt. Just give it a little whisk and then just watch it. That's my famous last words, because how many times have I boiled over the milk? And then carefully add the slurry. And now don't take your eyes off the custard, because there's nothing worse than lumpy custard. Okay, and then turn the heat down a little bit more. Okay, it's done. And then we're going to just pour it into our baking tray. Now we just have to line our pan, cool it down a little bit for probably about 10 minutes. And the easiest way is just to line your pan with cling wrap. There we go, pour it in. Okay, so then you can just cover the custard because you don't want to skin. Now we're just going to set it in the fridge. Overnight is probably better. So now for the messy business, we need to cut our custard into squares, and then we need to flour and egg it and deep fry it. So Bianca's made, oh, that's beautiful, a double batch. A double batch because we've got all the taste peeps behind us in the office working on deadline, and we're going to treat them with these beautiful hot squares. Okay, Nathan, I know you've got your tongs ready, but I'm going to take the tongs, just gently lower them. The oil's looking amazing. Careful. And another one. Not too many at the same time, hey? Just 3. I'm going to do the cinnamon sugar. I need a big bowl. Cinnamon. And the trick is to get them into the caster sugar as soon as possible. Okay, cool. And now, careful your fingers. Look at those. Excuse the sugary hands, but those are the perfect, soft milk tart, deep fried milk tart. Look at that. You know what we need?
What?
Some tennis biscuits.
Okay, I'm coming.
I mean, I'm really being absolutely...
It's a perfect fit though, look at it.
Look at it. Anything deep fried is good, isn't it?